Once you enter your exam, the welcome page for the exam will appear. It will include the amount of time allotted for the exam, which is 90 minutes, for the CAP2 Financial Reporting Interim Assessment. This assessment is auto-scored, and students must answer all parts of this assessment. The entire assessment can be viewed by clicking the Resource button. Students will need to scroll to the end of the introduction page and click on the green Start Assessment button. The exam time will only begin once this button has been clicked. At the top of the screen, you will see the countdown clock. To the right of this, the text can either be increased or decreased using the A+ or the A- button. For each section, you can expand either the section introduction box or the question box by moving the mouse in the following way. You can also pop out the section text box by pressing the arrow as shown. To move to the next question, you will need to click the Next button. For the CAP2 Financial Reporting Interim Assessment, the complete exam paper can be viewed by clicking the Resource button. For this assessment, you can keep the resources open continuously throughout the exam when answering the questions. Resources can be maximised to full screen by clicking the Maximise Screen icon. To minimise the resources, simply click the Minimise button. Students can view the introduction page again by clicking the Introduction button. You can flag a question. If you're unsure of your answer, you can highlight that question to remind you to return to that particular question. You will need to click the Flag button in order to flag a question. You will then need to click the Flag button again in order to remove the flag. The Overview button shows the overall questions answered and which questions have been flagged. This is located at the bottom part of the screen. Students can skip to different parts of the exam. They can also navigate easily through the questions without having to constantly press the Next button. Students will use the template provided and enter figures. Currency symbols and commas to separate thousands are not required and should not be input into the answer boxes. Answers should be rounded to the nearest thousand as indicated. So if an answer is 15,000, the candidate should only input the figure of 15. Or if an answer is 249,860, the candidate should only input 250. Numbers should be entered without decimal places. There are no marks awarded for workings. Candidates can use the Tab button to navigate to the next input box. Once you have completed your exam and wish to submit it, click the Complete Assessment button. 2 notification pop-ups will then appear. Click the Confirm button, followed by the Finish button. Once the Finish button has been clicked, your script will be submitted. If you do not finish and submit the exam for the time allocated, your script will automatically be submitted.